Hello and welcome. If you're a Dynatrace user looking to pre-process your telemetry to reduce unwanted noise and lower ingestion costs, you're at the right place. With Apica, you can easily build a pipeline to filter, enrich, and optimize your data before sending it to any destination. In this case, Dynatrace. So let's get started with Step 1. Configure the Dynatrace forwarder. Navigate to Integrations. Forwarder. Add forwarder. Select Dynatrace, enter the required details, and click Create. Step 2. Review incoming telemetry. Next, let's look at the incoming telemetry. These logs contain weather data for various cities and are well structured. You'll notice multiple fields, and some of them may not be required. Removing these unnecessary fields helps reduce noise and lower total data volume. Navigate to the Pipeline tab. On the right pane, you can preview your incoming telemetry, which helps you create and fine-tune pipeline rules. Step 3. Create pipeline rules. Apica provides a variety of out-of-the-box rules that require no scripting, making it easy to work with the data. Let's walk through the rules used in this example. Stream rule. Creates a full fidelity copy of events and saves it in Apica's object storage before changes are applied. This is optional but helpful if you want to retain raw data. Suppress rule. The suppression engine keeps only one event and drops the duplicates. Filter rule with drop labels. Removes unnecessary fields from the logline. Simply list the field names you want to drop to reduce per event size. Filter with drop event. Drops entire events that meet certain conditions. For example, if the name field equals Moscow, drop the event. Code rule. This is used for more advanced transformations. In this case, we translate a Unix timestamp into a human-readable format. Code rules support V8-compatible JavaScript and powerful built-in functions that you can use. Step 4. Preview. Before enabling the pipeline, you can preview its impact. Red strikeouts show labels that will be removed. Green highlights show labels that will be added or enriched. If everything looks good, save the pipeline. Step 5. Apply pipeline. Once the pipeline is saved, apply it to your data flow by selecting the relevant source and application. You can enable or disable the pipeline anytime based on your needs. Next, map the forwarder, in this case, Dynatrace. Once telemetry is ingested, the pipeline will process the data and then forward it to Dynatrace. Step 6. View pipeline impact in Dynatrace. Let's look at how this appears in Dynatrace. Before applying the pipeline, the event contained 35 fields. After enabling the pipeline and reloading the log, the event size is reduced to 26 fields, since we dropped 9 labels. Additionally, because suppression is enabled, you'll see an extra field indicating how many duplicate events were removed. You can also visualize the impact on your EPS, events per second, or volume dashboards. You'll notice a spike when telemetry ingestion begins, followed by a clear drop once the pipeline is enabled, showing reduced data volume. I hope this gave you a high-level understanding of Apica pipeline. For more details or assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you.